Hello, welcome to day 21 of our 28-day gratitude practice that we are doing with the help of book called The Secret, The Magic, written by Rhonda Byrne. Today's chapter is Magnificent Outcomes. We all want good outcomes, brilliant outcomes of whatever we do, in everything we do. So today we are going to use what G.K. Chesterton, the famous writer, Gilbert Keith Chesterton, used to practice. So before doing anything, if we are grateful for a magnificent outcome of that particular thing, that's when the magic happens. So today's assignment is you have to choose 3 expected and 3 unexpected events from your day and pay gratitude for the magnificent outcome of that particular event. So you have to choose 3 expected and write down imagining that event to already have occurred and magnificent outcomes have been received. So the template to write your today's assignment is: thank you for the magnificent outcome 2. List down each of the 3 expected events, imagining that has already taken place in this format. In a day, we also experience certain unexpected calls or unexpected events. But the first response to those unexpected events is something bad. We always think negative. So today you have to choose such 3 unexpected events and close your eyes and imagine for a magnificent outcome of that particular event. So 3 expected you have to write, and 3 unexpected you have to close your eyes and imagine, and in your mind say thank you for the magnificent outcome. These 3 unexpected events can be the 3 phone calls, the 3 emails, or 3 letters. The expected events can be the important ones, like meeting with a client or an examination or a job interview, or it can also be a humdrum activity, just like ironing the clothes, going for a swimming, going for a gym, going to the bank, going to the post office, picking up the kids, paying the bills, anything that is planned. Use the gratitude's magical power to attract the magnificent outcomes of both expected as well as unexpected events. Like attracts like. Doing this practice, you won't find yourself at the wrong place at the wrong time. Less and less you will find yourself in situations where you don't want to be in. And no matter what happens in your day, with an absolute certainty you will know that the outcomes will be magnificent. Using the law of attraction, you change the "I hope so," "by chance this happened," into "I know this will happen," "yes, this is certain." So you change the hopes and chances to faith and certainty using the law of attraction. So going forward, any unexpected event you may face, never jump to conclusions, never think about the wrong outcomes. Always think maybe this happened for the good and give your gratitude for the magnificent outcome of that particular event. Also in future, if you think you need good outcome of a particular thing or you need good luck for a particular thing, then use this assignment, use this practice of thanking for the magnificent outcome before the event takes place, and see the magic getting unfold for you. In addition to this activity, you also have to do Count Your Blessing and Magic Rock exercise. If you need any further guidance in doing the assignment, please feel free to ping me on the Facebook link provided in the description box of this video. Also, if you would like to be a part of my guided book reading session, then also please ping me there and I'll get you registered and enrolled in our group reading session. We are starting a batch soon, so do join us. Feel free to ping me in the Facebook. Thank you so much for your love on the channel. Thank you so much for following the videos and appreciating my work and encouraging me. Thank you for your support and good luck. Good luck with your assignment.